Let's see how you get permanent waving hair. Step 1. Wash your hair like usual and dry it with a blow dryer on medium heat. Step 2. Using a comb, separate your hair into various sections, as you wish. Step 3. Apply the relaxant. It usually needs to stay there for at least 30 minutes. This may vary with products. In perm solutions, usual pH is 9. Let's see how this works. Perming solutions must reach the cortex through the cuticle for waving. First, we have to lift the scales of the cuticle. This is being achieved by an alkaline solution. Most common agent is ammonia hydroxide. Once scales are open, reducing agents go inside the cortex. Cleave some of the disulfide bonds. Once the bonds are broken, you can arrange new bonds to the shape of your hair as you wish. Step 4. Steam hair for 10 to 30 minutes using a hair steamer. Step 5. Wash the relaxant out completely and blow dry your hair. Step 6. Cover hair with keratin lotion. Step 7. Iron hair with a flat iron until it is poker straight. Step 8. Once again, separate your hair into sections. Step 9. Apply the neutralizer to each section and let it stay for 30 minutes. Let's see what the neutralizer does to your hair. The most common neutralizer is hydrogen peroxide. Broken bonds are solidified by reoxidization using a neutralizing solution. It will regenerate broken bonds as the way you preferred. Finally, neutralizer leaves hair shaft scale, closing the cuticle scales, returning to their original position. Step 9. Wash your hair in cold water and dry it completely with a blow dryer. Step 10. Iron out any kinks in your hair with a flat iron. This treatment will provide you with manageable hair. You can enjoy countless hairstyles as you wish. Post-treatment hair needs proper care after rebonding to avoid hair loss or other side effects. Do not wet your hair for at least 72 hours after rebonding. Avoid tying your hair for the first month. It can permanently damage your hair. Use cold water for washing purposes. After 3 days of rebonding, wash your hair using mild shampoo and cold water. Trim your hair at regular intervals. Hair rebonder can cause split ends. Use wide-toothed comb instead of a brush for combing to avoid causing damage to your hair. Please visit our website at www.uniqueskinsolutions.com. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.